The reason why I'm doing this video or entering this competition is because singing has always been a passion of mine. I'm really excited for this competition, and I'm nervous at the same time, but hopefully I get down to the bottom 5 and go to Fresno. Let's get started.
It's